We're at the Grand Canyon.
I want to be up there in the sun.
I know.
It's so amazing. It's like
We finally made it to the Grand Canyon. It's a little cold and windy though,
it's not that cold.
but I don't want to blow off the edge. It's really windy.
We need a picture.
This place is high up.
Pictures don't do it justice.
God.
It's beautiful.
It is.
You have to be there. I love it. It's icy too. See on the ice? There's the Colorado River. All the way down there. They have good whitewater rafting, I heard.
Oh my gosh.
This is real cute. Look, you can catch them in your mouth.
It's icing. It sleeps.
Open your mouth.
It hurts.
Get it?
No. It's a blizzard outside, isn't it? Blizzard.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good food we have.
The food is delicious. Couldn't be better. Look how big my broccoli is.
Wow.
This is probably the best we've been eating since.
And we're in the El Tovar restaurant in the Grand Canyon. Do you like the view of the Grand Canyon? Isn't
I
it pretty?
did. It is pretty, except that the fog is in the way. But whenever it shines through, it's really pretty.
The fog makes it scary.
It's finally not snowing.
ghost town. It's like almost no one here.
We're on this really tall bridge about to see
Yay! Oh my god, it's Hoover Dam! What if that breaks somehow? There's people on it.
Oh, we could go on it.
I think that you probably have to pay.
I'm making a video of it again.
My fault, it's way too high for me.
And it feels like I'm gonna die. A lot of things we've been doing on this trip makes me feel like I'm going to die.
Yeah, I agree. Like going up that mountain, I felt like I was gonna die for about a few